Hi Nash, happy birthday. I hope that today, this special day, that you would get to enjoy it with your loved ones. And I pray that that you would continue to become the man that God has planned for you and for your life. And I wish that you would fulfill all your dreams and all your goals in life. Um, I pray that you would be successful, whatever success means to you. And sana ma-achieve mo rin, syempre, lahat ng goals mo. And whether it be for your academics or for your business or for your personal goals. And I pray that you would have godly wisdom and discernment in making decisions. And I hope you enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Nash. Happy birthday to the cousin who's been like a bigger brother than me and who takes care of me, and sila William, Safi, Sabine, and the others. Thank you for being a very responsible older role model for us, and thank you for the advices that you have given me because they have been very helpful. I wish to see you soon, and I hope you have many more birthdays to come. Bye.
Hi Nash! Happy 21st birthday! Wish ko sa'yo is good health, more success to come, and always be humble and handsome. Enjoy your day and be happy always. Take care!
Happy birthday, Ninong Nash! More blessings to come! Bye-bye!
Happy 21st birthday, Kuya Nash. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless always.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nash!
Happy 21st birthday, Kuya Nash. More birthdays to come, and thank you for everything. Happy birthday, Kuya Nash!
Hi Nas, happy birthday. Welcome to adulthood. So I just I'm hoping and praying that walking through this path of adulthood, you'll walk it through wise and kind, and yun, and always be happy. Know that we're always here for you. If you need us. We love you. I love you. And happy birthday. And enjoy your surfboard. Bye.
Hi, Kuya Nash! Happy birthday! Wish you always good health, to always be safe and protected, and to be far away from harm. Wish you all the best to all your future endeavors, business ventures, studies, sports, and pakabait ka palagi, and hope to see you very soon. Miss you and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, enjoy, keep safe, good health, see you. Mwah. 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 Love you, Kuya. Miss you na. Hope to see you. See you soon. Good health.
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Kuya Nash!
Teka ko.
Message ka na.
Ha?
Message ka na, Kuya Nash.
Message. Yung 5K. Saan? Yung ginagamit niya pang pang hotel.
Mga message ka na kay Nash.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, Nash! Good health!
Ingat
Lagi kang
lagi.
mabait. Ingat lagi. Ano pa?
Stay pogi. Sige, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kuya Nash! We love you!
Ay, go next.
Happy birthday, Kuya Nash! Happy birthday! Nash. Happy birthday. You're 21 now. Time flies. And I'm happy that you turned out to be a fine young man. Stay focused. I know you are hardworking and goal-oriented, so I know that you will achieve your dreams. And we're all here for you. I'm here for you, together with the whole family, to support you with all your endeavors. And I'm proud of you, anak, and I love you. Stay happy and healthy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nash! 21 ka na, ang bilis ng panahon. But anyway, I'm sure your mom is so proud of the kind of young man you have become. So all the best. Enjoy your day. God bless. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Birthday! 21st, you're getting older. Not really.
I hope you get spoiled with as many gifts as you can this year.
And she's shy type. Happy birthday,
Happy
Hannah.
birthday!
Hope you get lots of gifts and many blessings.
Bye!
Sabi ng nanay mo, gigreet daw kita, happy birthday! Eh, nanay mo, happy birthday!
Hi Nash, happy birthday. Wish you all the best on your special day. Stay pogi palagi, like your Tito Bernard. Happy birthday again. I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Nash. Here's what I've got for you. Happy birthday to you. Hep hep hooray! Hep hep hooray!
Hi Nash, happy birthday! Congratulations nga pala dun sa business mong bago. Hope lalakas pa yon. And ang bilis ng panahon. Biglang 21 years old ka na. Dati nilulutuan ko lang mami mo for nung naglilihi pa lang siya. Ngayon, nung baby ka, laki-laki mo na. Anyway, enjoy and have a blast on your birthday. At makabait ka lagi. And your mom is always there for you. Bye.
Hi, Nash. Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nash.
Happy birthday, Nash.
Happy birthday, Nash.
I hope you'll have a good time in Philippines. At saka, good luck to your new venture and more adventure to come in your life.
Yeah, more business to come.
Yeah, I know you'll do well. Happy birthday again.
Happy 21st birthday, Nash. Enjoy.
Birthday, Nash. 21st.
Happy 21st.
He's gonna be a man.
Get the key. Get the key to the door.
You keep it.
Happy birthday, Nash!
Nice.
Hi Nash, happy birthday, more birthdays to come, and ingat lagi. Have a blast, bro.
Hi Nash.
Hello, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nash. Sana maging masaya ka.
Greetings from England.
Yeah, greetings from England. Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at nandito lang kami. Pag kailangan mo ng tulong, wag pinansyal.
Oh, and it's 21, isn't it?
Yeah.
Big one.
And yeah, God bless always. And sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng ano mo, mga pangarap mo. Yeah.
Have a lovely day and night, whatever you're up to, whatever you're doing. Bye.
You're my love, 150. If you make it bad, man.